The man helping Daniel Penny restrain Jordan Neely was a person of color. But the prosecutors offered him a deal.
Gonzalez was in the Broadway Lafayette station when he entered the stopped train and saw the men on the floor. Gonzalez testified Neely tapped someone, indicating he wanted to be released, to which Gonzalez told the jury he said, "We're not going to let you go until cops arrive." After learning Neely had died and seeing his picture associated with the incident, Gonzalez went into hiding, fearful he'd be prosecuted, explaining he even lied to prosecutors when he first met them about being on the F train when the incident began, concocting a story that Neely attacked him so that he could justify his actions. "There's all these protests going on. I'm scared for myself, scared for my family." Gonzalez was given immunity.
Let's be honest. The reason why Gonzalez was given immunity was because he's not white. Alvin Bragg and the corrupt prosecutor are only interested in going after white people.